Do you know the essential canoeing strokes, including pivots? You'll want to stick around. Let's talk a little bit about the strokes. Now you can see them on the land, and then go ahead and apply them to the water. First of all, the power stroke is nothing more than reaching out, catching the water, pulling through, and then recovering, catch, pull, recover, power stroke. Now we're going to add a variation of that because we know as you're paddling on the left side with your power stroke, your canoe is going to turn to the right. So to correct that, when you get to the back of the power stroke, leave the blade in the water, turn your hand down, and leave that blade down in as a rudder. If you're starting to turn to the right, just kick it out a little bit in the water and it'll correct you and turn you back to the left. Recover, power, J, recover. Okay, sweep strokes. Same catch up front. You're going to pull it wide, make a big wide sweep to the back of your canoe, to the stern, and recover in the air. Catch the water, sweep all the way around, and recover. Same thing that you want to do when you're reversing, but remember, instead of just trying to muscle it back this way for a reverse sweep, if you take your thumb, turn it down towards you, that will change your blade position and allow you to push it easier. So reverse sweep, sweep, turn your hand down, reverse sweep. Now we want to talk about moving in and out sideways to the dock. And it's just a draw or a push away. Catch the water, pull it in sideways, knife the blade back through the water, catch, pull, knife through, pull yourself nice and smoothly up to the dock. And then when you're pushing away, you use the push away. Catch the water, push out, and then feather or knife back in, push out, feather right through the water. No need of pulling your paddle out of the water, just push out or pull in, feather through. Those few strokes will control your canoe in a great way, and when you get into the water, it's going to make it easier to control your boat. The power stroke is the most basic stroke. All it is catch, pull, recover. Catch, pull, recover. As you do a power stroke on the left side, your boat's naturally going to turn to the right. So what I want you to do is learn the J stroke. I'll demonstrate and come back and talk about it. Now we're going to add a J stroke to our power stroke, which means as I do the power stroke, watch my blade. I get to the back, I'm paddling on the left, so it's turning my boat right. I'm just going to turn the blade down, turn it into a rudder. So if I'm turning right, kick it out just a little bit and keep yourself going. Pick a spot and just paddle towards it using your J stroke to keep you going straight. Let's do a variation on the power stroke. Instead of coming straight down alongside the boat, we're going to sweep it out. This is a sweep stroke. Just going to turn your boat quickly around. Most of the power, the turning power from the sweep, is the last quarter stroke. So you can see just by making a big sweep, keep most of the paddle in the water, you're controlling it, and I'll turn it into a J stroke, nice and straight. This may seem a little obvious, but the sweep stroke that we just learned can be turned into a reverse sweep, but you want to turn your hand towards your chest so that you have more pressure on and control on your left hand. Come down through the water and reverse sweep. Same effect, just rotate your boat in the other direction. We've had a great day of canoeing and we want to come into the dock now, and I want to come in parallel to the dock. So I'm going to do a draw stroke. Just catch the water, pull it straight in towards you, fin out through the water, pull back in. Now we're going to do the opposite. We're just going to push away. Push out through the water, fin back in, push out, fin back in. You can make your boat go any direction that you want using the combination of sweeps, power strokes, J strokes, reverse sweeps. Lots of fun, and you can control your boat, put it on a dime. As you work with your strokes, I want you to practice a little bit. A good way to practice is to pick a point On the other side of your lake or pond, do a straight line, make a pivot, and come back. With just a little bit of practice, you'll be handling your canoe like a professional.